Welcome back to Motor Insight, where we strip down the latest machines to their pure essence. Today, we're living with the machine that defines the dual sport pinnacle, the 2026 KTM 450 EXC. Design and styling ***. The signature KTM ethos of form following aggressive function continues. The bodywork is sharp, minimalist, and tightly wrapped around the mechanicals. The new graphics for 2026 are integrated into the plastics for a cleaner look, while the iconic orange frame pops against darker side panels. Every piece, from the sleek fuel tank shrouds to the high-mounted front fender, is designed for purpose, to clear mud, allow rider movement, and scream high performance. It's a look that is brutally technical and instantly recognizable. Engine and performance ***. The heart is the potent 450 cubic centimeters SOHC single-cylinder. For 2026, mapping revisions deliver even more controllable power. The initial hit is softened, translating to better traction on slick roots and rocks, but the top-end pull remains vicious. It's an engine that rewards skill. On the street, it purrs comfortably at legal speeds, vibration is well managed for a thumper. The new clutch basket design offers a lighter lever pull and even more consistent engagement, a boon during technical riding. Chassis and suspension ***. The chromoly steel frame retains its precise flex characteristics. Paired with the aluminum subframe, it provides a feel that is both rigid for precision and communicative for feedback. The WP Splore suspension front and rear sees updated valve ping. The fork is plusher in the initial stroke, absorbing trail trash without sacrificing mid-stroke support for bigger hits. The shock maintains its legendary poise, keeping the rear wheel hooked up and driving. It's a suspension package that inspires confidence to attack unknown terrain. Technology and features ***. While purposefully analog in feel, key technological upgrades define this model year. The new LED lighting system isn't just brighter, its optimized beam pattern is a genuine tool for night enduro. The advanced, captive spoke nipple design is an engineering solution for extreme durability. Most significantly, the revised engine management system features dual ignition maps, accessible via a handlebar-mounted switch, allowing instant adjustment between a smooth, tractable delivery for technical terrain and a more aggressive map for open trails. It's smart tech that serves the ride, never complicating it. Price and value ***. Exclusivity and capability come at a cost. With a manufacturer's suggested retail price starting at $13,299 in the USA, the 2026 450 EXC occupies the premium end of the dual sport market. You are paying for a hand-built, competition-derived machine with components from Brembo and WP. For the rider who demands the absolute best, most capable street-legal dirt bike, the price is a reflection of its unparalleled performance and specialized engineering. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to subscribe to Motor Insight and hit the bell for more. We're here to deliver the unfiltered truth on the machines that move us. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the limits.